안녕하세요, 여러분. Today we're going to be looking at Sino Numbers 0 to 10,000, which might sound a bit intimidating, but I promise you it's not that hard. So, as we can see here, this is how we're going to break it up. This is the flow for today's lesson. First, I'm going to introduce the different Korean number systems because there are two of them. We'll look just at Sino numbers since that's what we're doing today, and we'll figure out when we're going to use Sino numbers. And then we'll start piece by piece, 1 through 20, 20 through 100, 100 to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000. So let's get started. The first number system is called native Korean numbers or pure Korean numbers. And as it sounds, it comes directly from the Korean language. But then what we're doing today, Sino Korean numbers, which descends or comes from Chinese language. Sino numbers we're going to use for dates. We're going to use it for big numbers, money, phone numbers, minutes. And those are the main circumstances in which we'll use Sino numbers. I'm going to start with a reference because we're going to need to use numbers 1 through 10 a bunch of times, like endlessly throughout this lesson. Okay, since we're going to need to use numbers 1 through 10 over and over and over throughout this lesson, I have it here, a list of the numbers 1 through 10. So basically all you need to know is numbers 1 through 10. And we kind of just have to recycle and reuse them over and over to create new numbers, which is very interesting about Korean. So let's walk through these. You may have heard them before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then, when we want to make a number like 11, what we're going to do is stack. So 10, we can see here, is 10, and 1 is 1. So we need both of those to make 11. I like to think of it as addition. 10 plus 1 is 11, right? So 10 plus 1 becomes 11, 11. Same thing for 12. 10 plus 2, which is 2, 12. 10 plus 3, which is 3, 13. 10 plus 4, which is 4, 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15, 15. 10 and 6, 16, 16. 10 and 7, 17, 17. 10 and 8, 18, 18. And then 10 and 9, 19, 19. Now we've gotten this far, what do you think we need to do to make 20? This time, we switch over to multiplication. So 2 times 10, 20. E is 2. And we know 10 is 10. 20. 20. So 12 was 10 plus 2, 10, and 20 is opposite, backwards, which these kinds of numbers are easily confused. 10, 12, 10, 20. Just keep that in mind. Let's go back again. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to be doing this very repetitively. Sorry about that ahead of time, but This is what's going to help you remember the numbers. Ship is the base for the next ones. Before we move on, we should practice. You can pause the video while you're doing these. Don't look at anything else. Don't go back. Don't cheat, you know. So how do I make the number 16 in Korean? Just use what I've taught you. So 16, 10 and 6. 10 is ship, 6 is yuk. Ship yuk. There we go. What about 12 or 11? We kind of just did 12. Ship, ear. What about 18? 10 and 8. Ship, par. 19. 10 and 9. Ship, gu. Very good. What about 21? So now we need 20 and 1. How do we get 20? That's 2 times 10. E, ship, and then we need 1. Ear. E, ship, ear. 21. How do we go from 20 all the way to 99? Okay, 20 through 99. So we just learned that some sheep 3 times 10 is 30. Sa sheep 4 times 10 is 40. Sa is 4, sheep is 10. O sheep is 50. Yuk is 6. Ship is 10. Together they make 60. Yuk ship. Cheer ship 70. Pyre ship 80. Cool ship. How will we make 99? So we need 90 and we need 9. 90, we just did that one. Gu, 9. Ship, 10. And then another 9. Gu. Gu, ship, gu. 99. When we get to 100, then we have a whole new word to learn. Pick. Pick. And when it comes to numbers like this, pick, the same rule will apply for 1,000 and 10,000. You don't want to put anything in front of this. So if it's 100, you don't want to say il pick. No, because that can be confusing. When you're speaking Korean, they might think you said i pick, 200. No, so just leave that blank and say pick. And we'll know just that means 100. Il pick, wrong. Pick, right. Okay. 100 through 999. So we know from before we have to stack. And we're going to keep those same rules. So to make 200, we're going to keep doing this kind of multiplication. So 2 times 100, basically. Get 200. So 2 in Korean is E. And 100, we just did that one, is pick. E pick is 200. So it's that simple. E pick. So 300 is 3 times 100. 3 in Korean is sam. 100 pick. Sam pick. 300. Sa pick. Sa 4 pick 100. 400. O pick 500. Yuk 6 pick 100. Together, yuk pick means 600. And we can keep going all the way up. All the way up. Chil pick 700. Pile pick 800. 900, 900. Alright, so we made it up this far. So, if we wanted to make a number like 999, this is how I like to break it up. We need 900, then we need 90, and then we need 9. We just learned that 900 is 900. Okay, if we go back up here, we learned that 90 is 90. 90. And then 9, we've been using it 2 times already. It's 9. So together, 900, 90. 999 is 999. Okay, you can pause the video if you need to while we do this, but we're going to start with some low numbers. How do we say 101 in Korean? First thing we need is 100, which is pek, and then 1, ear. Pekir, pekir, 101. What about 110? First thing we need is 100, pek, and 10, ship, pek ship. What about 111? First thing we need is pek, and then 11 is 10 plus 1. 10 is ship, and 1 is ir. Pek shibir, 111. Okay, let's go up higher. What about 222? First thing we need is what? 200. So, e, bek, 200. 20, e, ship, 2 and 10. And then 2, e. E bek, e shibi. E bek, e shibi. Okay, let's keep going. 346. First thing we need is 300. 300. Sambek, 3 and 100. 40. Sa is 4. Ship is 10. Sa ship, 40. And then yuk, 6. Sambek sa ship yuk, 346. Okay. 419. 419. So this is comprised of 400, 10, and then 9. 400 is sa, bek, 4 and 100. Ship, and then gu. Ship is 10, gu is 9. Okay. Again, I'm being repetitive, saying the numbers over and over because I want you to remember them as we go. Okay, we're going to do 582. 500 is o bek. 80 is 8 and 10. 8 times 10. 8 is par. Ship is 10. Par ship is 80. E is 2. O bek par ship e. Okay. Let's do 600 and let's do 633. 600 is 6 times 100. 6 is yuk. 100 is pek. Then we need 30. 3 times 10. 3 is sam. 10 is ship. And 3, sam. Yuk pek sam ship sam. Okay, we'll do one more. 875. 800 is par bek. 70 is cheer ship. And 5 is o. Par bek cheer shibo. Okay, good. When we get up to 1,000, we're almost to the end now. We have to also learn a new word once again. This time, chon. We need to learn 1,000. 천. And just like I was saying before, we'll not ever put 1천. We won't say 1천. Shouldn't do that. Only say 천 for 1,000. Don't add 1. Don't add anything extra there. So how do we make 2,000? You may be able to guess. E is 2. 천 is 1,000. So 2 times 1,000 equals 2,000. 삼 is 3. 천 is 1,000. Together they make 3,000. 사천 is 4,000. 오천 is 5,000. Okay, so we've done the rest. 6천, 7천, 8천, and 9천. 9,000. 9 times 1,000. 9천. Now we want to make 9,999. You can pause and try to do it yourself, or wait for me to work it out. So first, I like to break it up like this. You know how I like to do it. So we have 9,999. 9,000 is 9,000, like we just did here. And we've done 900 before. We need 9 and 100. 900. 90. We need 9 and 10. 90. And then we have 19. 9. 9,999. There we go. And then now we've gotten to our last little bit, which is 10,000. And the new word we need to learn is 만. 만. This one's a little bit different from all the other ones. Okay, now let's do some practice with this once again. So let's start by basic again. 1,001. 1천, we will not be doing that, right? Just 천 and 1. 1. 천, 1. You can pause the video if you need more time. Let's do 2020, like 2020, the year. Or should we not speak of that? 2,000, so 2 times 1,000. 2,000, 20, 20. 2020. Okay? Now, maybe 300, 3,300. So, 3 times 1,000. 3 times 1,000. 3,000. 3,100. Okay? You can start adding in more things now. 4,321. 4,321. 4,321. 5,555. 5,000. 5,555. 5,555. We'll do a couple more. 7,268. 7,000 we need first. 7,000. Then we need 200. 200. Then we need 60. 60. And then we need 8. 8. 7,268. And one more. 8,088. 10,000 is 8,000. Then we don't have 100 place this time, so we skip. Then we have 80, 80, and pi. To look at how we go from 10,000 to 20,000, 30,000, and beyond. So same as before, 2만 20,000. 2 times 10,000. 3 times 10,000. 3만 30,000. 4만 40,000. 5만 50,000. 6만 60,000. Okay, so 7만 70,000, 8만 80,000, 9만 90,000. So you already know our tradition, 99,999. So 90,000, we just did that right there. 9만 9,000, we did that last time. We need 9 and then 1,000, which is 1,000, right? 9,000. Then we need 9 and 100, 9 and pick. And then 99, we need 90, 9, 10, and then 9, 9. 99,999. There we go. Let's say I want to make 25,432. So 20,000 is 2만, right? 5,000 is 5 plus or 5 times 1,000, 1,000, 5,000. And then 432 is 432. 25,432. Now when we put it together, there's actually going to be a space right here between 만 and 1,000. Which it can be confusing because we need to put a space between these two. But that's how it goes. I'll show you another example. Put together a random number. 69,649. So 60,000, we need to start. 6만, 6 times 10,000, 6만. And then we put a space. 9,000, 9,000. 9 times 10,000, 9,000. And then we need 649. 649. 69,649. Just like that. And to end off this lesson, I have a few more practice questions for you. So let's do this. 10,001. Pause the video for more time. Go ahead and do this. So 10,000, we know that's 만. Not 1만, but just 만. And then 1. We need a space here. 만 1. Yes, we'll always put a space between 10,000 and anything else. 10,100. 만, pick. 11,000. What are we thinking? Are we thinking 11 is 11, right? 11만. Nope, that is incorrect. 10 is not what we're going to use either. We need 10,000 first, 만, and then we need 1,000. 1,000. Oh, kind of tricky. Then we need 15,505. So first we need 10,000. That's always our first concern, 10,000. Next we have 5,000. So we need to skip over. Let's put a space. 5,000 is 5,000. 505. 500. 15,500. Okay. 23,232. So we need 20,000 this time. 2만. 20,000. And then we skip over 2,000s. 3,000. 3천, and then 232. 232. 4만, put a space. 5,000. 5 times 10,000, or 5 times 1,000, sorry. 5천. 700. 7 times 100. 700. And then 91. 91. 45,791. I know these numbers can get really, really, really long, by the way, the higher we go. But we're only going to 10,000 today. So, lastly, we have 88,989. 80,000. 8만. 8 times 10,000. Put a space. 8,000. 8,900. 980. 80. And then 9 should be our ending number. 88,989. And there we go.